This is the Magic Mine Train Tunnel by Melissa and Doug. And here it goes through the tunnel.
Oh, my arm got disconnected.
It's got real sounds of trains going through the tunnel. Okay, and as you can see, at the end, they come out with the treasure. They're empty at first, and then they come out with the treasure. Okay, here they are empty again. Here it comes out with the treasure. One more time. We lost the car. There we go.